everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's video we will see what's coming to you in April 2025. As you all know, these are general readings, so it may not resonate with you completely, but if you want to consult with a trusted personal advisor who can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my sponsor, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way through a phone call, video chat, or text. Psychic Source is committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And if you're not happy with your last paid psychic reading, it's free. That's how confident they are, backing it up with a no-risk guarantee. Even if I'm a tarot reader myself, I still seek guidance to gain clarity from other psychics to see a different perspective, because sometimes I can be biased on how I read my own cards. And I'm so satisfied with my recent consultation with Venus. She's an advisor from Psychic Source. She gave me comfort and insights with the project that I'm working with. Now here's the good news. Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen, or click the link in my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. And now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Gemini, let's see what's coming to you in April 2025. So, please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Gemini. What's coming? This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunities, your focus, and your blessing. Bottom of the deck is the Strength card. Wow. So, ngayong April, you will have this strength, lakas na kailangan mo, no? Maaring ikaw ay magpapalakas ng katawan, no? Physically, you're going to the gym, or meron ka ng special routine na tumutulong sa'yo para mapalakas ang iyong pangangatawan. Also have the Queen of Swords. Mas magiging ka rin, disiplinado sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi nakakabuti sa'yo, so you are cutting them off. Pwedeng mga unhealthy habits, tinatanggal mo na yung unhealthy habits mo to focus on your well-being, no? Okay, your overall energy is the Three of Cups. Meron ditong celebration. Maaring ngayong April, meron kang achievement with your friends, family. I think meron kang goal na ma-achieve ngayong April. Let's see in what area of life. 12th house. So I think this is your mental strength. This is also your yung mga sa subconscious mo to So maaring meron kang nakukondisyon mo yung sarili mo na mentally, no, na maging productive. And that's why it is showing na napapakita yan sa'yo ngayon sa mga resulta ng ginagawa mo. Kumbaga, nagiging results-oriented ka, and you are focused on how to take action, and that's why you are achieving a lot of things. Your challenge is the Five of Cups. So, maaring meron kang lessons na matututunan pagdating sa past mistakes mo or decisions mo na maaring hindi mo to masyadong pinag-isipan, or naging emotional ka dun sa decision making mo na yon. Kaya, in the long run, hindi siya naging pabor sa'yo. Pero, it doesn't mean na wala ka ng paraan para ayusin to. So you still have ways to fix this, no? So, yun yung challenge sa'yo kung paano mo magagawa ng paraan yung isang naging pagkakamali mo or miscalculated action mo na maayos mo naman siya. Kailangan lang talaga that you remain focused. And then your opportunity is the 4 of Cups. You have the opportunity na mas maging grateful to count your blessings kasi may mga pagkakataon na parang iniisip mo, ay, bakit wala ako nito? Or bakit ganito yung situation ko? Sometimes we compare ourselves, our lives, sa ibang tao. Pero sa totoo lang, meron ding tayong mga blessings na mas nakakaangat tayo sa iba. So, you have the opportunity na makita yon, no? Makita yung mga blessings na meron ka. And then, your focus is the 4 of Wands. So, you are focused on building stability in your life. So, maaring stability to sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. Stability in your connections. So, maaring you are networking, making new friends, and celebratory energy rin to. So, some of you are going to focus on yung samahan na meron ka. So, if, example, you are part of a group or like a team. So, I think, parang more on celebration yung iba sa inyo rito, Gemini, no? Tinan mo, pareho sila nagtataas ng mga kamay nila. It's like they are celebrating a goal na na-achieve nila. So, yung iba, sumali kayo sa contest, nanalo kayo, or meron kayong natapos na project na naging successful for you. And then your blessing is the Emperor. So, this is about structure in your life. I think, mas may direction ngayon yung buhay mo. Alam mo kung saan papunta. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Alam mo kung ano yung ayaw mo. And very much determined ka sa mga goals mo. Yung iba mo pang mga plano na you want to achieve. You have the Strength card. So, yung iba sa inyo, this can be a contest na napanalunan ninyo. Or, meron kang pinaghirapan, in-effortan na trabaho, and then, nagbunga na yung efforts mo na yun. You have the Wheel of Fortune. It's time to make some changes, Gemini. It's time to move on. Kasi may mga, minsan, hindi tayo makamove on sa naging pagkakamali natin. Kasi parang iniisip natin, what if ganito? What if ganito yung ginawa ko? What if ganito? Whatever you have done, ano man yung nagawa mo in the past, it is meant to happen. Okay? Laging iisipin mo, you are where, ano ba yun? You are where you're supposed to be. Parang ganon. Kumbaga, nandun ka sa kung saan ka dapat talaga. So, wag mo na i-overthink yung mga bagay na na-miss out mo or akala mo lumagpas na opportunity sa'yo kasi maaaring hindi talaga para sa'yo yun. And you are now being led to your purpose. You have the 8 of Wands as your opportunity. I think you will be talking to a lot of people ngayong April, especially kung ang iyong trabaho, career, or business is into online, no? Or maaring meron kang direct connection sa mga consumers, customers, clients. You have the High Priestess as your focus. You're also focused on strengthening your instinct, your intuition, your wisdom. So talagang ini-improve mo yung sarili mo, hindi lang physically but also yung mind mo. Maaring mas nagbabasa ka ng libro, nag-aaral ka, nanonood ka ng mga kapaki-pakinabang na mga shows para sa ikauunlad ng iyong skill set. Wow, Emperor and Empress, your blessing. You will be blessed with abundance. You will be blessed with prosperity. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are wanting to have a baby, maaring merong baby na parating. But of course, if hindi ka pa ready, then be careful. But there is definitely I'm seeing like a new beginning na parang meron kang ilo-launch. You can be launching a new business, launching a new project. Loyal heart. Why? And buy the book. I think this is loyalty to yourself. Kasi gusto mong mas mapaunlad pa yung sarili mo eh. Na, 'di ba? We owe ourselves knowledge. Kailangan natin na tulungan yung sarili natin na, you know, to become a better version of ourselves. Let's see what else. Take care of your health, Gemini. Also have Unicorn and Triumph over troubles. O ayan, meron kang tagumpay sa iyong mga challenges or obstacles. So malalagpasan mo yan. Yung instinct mo raw at intuition ay makakatulong para sa pagbabago na gagawin mo para sa sarili mo, para sa buhay mo. I think itong meron kang mga unhealthy habits na ile-let go mo na eh. You have the key and the stars. Oh, this is solutions. The key is like the solutions to your challenges, obstacles. And now, alam mo na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. And with the stars, I think, alam mo na rin kung ano yung ita-target mo, ano yung i-goal mo. Because mas klaro na sa'yo kung ano yung pangarap mo. Kasi minsan hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung gusto natin. So parang we're just, you know, going with the flow, saan tayo dalhin, walang direction. But for some of you, magiging clear sa inyo yung direction na gusto ninyo. And I see you na asking a lot of questions, maaring nagpapa-mentor ka sa iba, or meron kang inaaral na konsepto na makakatulong para sa'yo, sa ikaw-unlad ng career mo, trabaho mo, or ano man yung pinupurso mo sa buhay. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.